Introducing the Broce Die Handler, a rugged forklift attachment manufactured from half-inch welded steel and powered by a heavy-duty hydraulic motor. With fork sockets on all four sides, operators can choose the right configuration for any job. When using the die handler, approach the die with the drawbar aligned with the center of the die. Securely fasten the die to the drawbar. Once the die is secured to the drawbar, engage the hydraulic motor to drive the drawbar back, pulling the die onto the platform. Transport the die to the desired location. To unload the die, position the die handler level or slightly above the designated surface. Detach the fastening strap from the die. Then, engage the hydraulic motor and drive the drawbar forward to unload the die on the designated surface. Enjoy safer, more efficient, and effortless die transportation.